Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. In this video, we are going to have a discussion on k-nearest neighbors, which is one of the machine learning algorithm, which can be in both form, like classifier and as well as that is regression as well. And talking about the basic concept, like what is actually a like k nearest neighbor is k nearest neighbor is a regression and classification algorithm. When it is used for regression, it is called k nearest neighbor regression, and when it is used for classification, it's called k nearest neighbors classifier. Talking about the different names that k nearest neighbor have. The first one is k nearest neighbors, memory based reasoning, example based reasoning, instance based reasoning, and lazy learning. Now, talking about the what is the basic concept behind we can say the k nearest neighbor is, suppose you are here, a person is here, and if we want to know what this person actually is, and like what actually the occupation of this person, or we can say uh, what actually is the person's nature, or how it is related to the environment around it, then we can understand that nature of this person with the help of its neighbor. Like suppose if I ask you who are your neighbors, like in the east, or who are your neighbor in the west, just like that. Okay, on that basis I will figure out that who you are actually. This is the basic concepts behind the k nearest neighbor. And I'm talking about like the different names, as you have seen also. It is five names are there for the k nearest neighbor. And talking about like how it actually works, as I said, that KNN algorithms assumes that similar things exist in close proximity. That is, what are the we can say the things that exist in close proximity, that is that things that are similar are very much close as compared to the things that are dissimilar. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind KNN, and in other words we can also say that similar things are nearer to each other. So this is the basic concepts behind KNN. Talking about like what actually KNN algorithm follow, the first thing that it take is that load the data. After that, it initialize the k to your chosen number of neighbors. That is that how many neighbors do you have. On that basis, you are evaluating yourself. On that basis, like suppose I asked you how many neighbors you have, then you said four. So the area of experimentation for your identity will be around four only. So we need to initialize k according to the chosen number of neighbors, and after that, for each example in the data, we have to calculate the distance between the query example and the current example from the data. Okay, that is, query example is exactly, suppose I am, you are a query example, and your neighbor's family member is a current example from the data. Okay, so we need to know the distance. Okay, and after that, add the distance and the index of the example to an ordered collection. After that, we need to add the distance and the index of the example to an ordered collection. And after that, we need to sort the ordered collection of distance and indices from the smallest to largest. And we need to sort it depending on the distance in ascending order. After that, pick the first k entries from the sorted collection and get the labels of the selected k entries. We need to label the k entries. If regression, then return the mean of the k values, and if classification, return the mod of the, that is, k levels. You must be aware with the mean and mod value. That is, mean value is what the average, and mod is the number of maximum number of times, or we can say uh, that the times that one occurs, that is a mod value. And so that's all in this example and that's all for the algorithm. That is this is the basic algorithm that can and follow. That is K and N follows. And hope you liked it and enjoyed it. In the next video, we will see the application of the KNN. So that's all. Thank you. Hope you liked it.